In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Epson XP-5200 in case you're having troubles with it. So the first step, okay, we're going to go on the display here, press the home button so we start at the same point. And then with the right side arrow, we're going to navigate until we select settings. Press OK. Then we need to go all the way down in this menu simply by clicking the top arrow and select Restore Default Settings. Confirm with the OK. And now we have a few choices. So you can simply reset the network settings, which means the Wi-Fi. If this is the only issue with your printer, I highly suggest you select the first one. It will only reset the Wi-Fi. Then you have all except network settings. So if you have changed stuff in the settings other than the Wi-Fi. And finally, we have all settings. This is for a factory reset. If you choose this and then select yes, your printer will be like brand new at the end. Everything will be completely wiped out. So simply select yes and OK. It will take just a few seconds. And yeah, after all, you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, but also comment down below if this was helpful. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.